Hello and welcome to Ekal Bharat. I am Soumya Agrawal and you have started watching our weekly highlights. So let's begin. Ekal Siksha is working in the villages regarding health and values. At present, about 71,000 Ekal Sanskar Kendras are operating in the entire country. In such a situation, information about the work is taken continuously through meetings. To commemorate the occasion, a meeting related to the new chapter of the Ekal Shri Hari Vanvasi Foundation in Western Uttar Pradesh was held at the residence of Mr. Ravikant Agrawal in Anchal, Lakshminagar. The key speaker of the meeting, Shri Rajkumar, central head of Ekal Surtal, gave information about Shri Hari Sanskar Education Centers and important information related to the new chapter in Muzaffarnagar. Let us tell you that at present, 2,350 Sanskar centers are running in Western Uttar Pradesh. Free medical camps were organized at 10 places in the Jammu division from 5th February to 13th February on behalf of Ekal Abhiyan Arogya Foundation of India in collaboration with Ircon International Limited in Sundarbani area, Sanch Babla, village Patrara. In this camp, Dr. Harish from Delhi was present, along with him Anand ji, Pawan Parihar ji and divisional campaign head Mr. Vijay Kumar ji was also present. In this medical camp, Dr. Harish Anand ji said that we should all pay attention to our eating habits and maintain cleanliness. In this camp, about 1600 patients were examined and made aware of their health. Ram Katha has been organized in the Ram Temple of Taragar in Gurdaspur. In this area, propagator Pramod ji was present as the chief guest. Thousands of devotees participate in the occasion. Punjab Police played an important role in the entire arrangement of this program. Vyas Kathakar of Shri Hari Satsang Samiti enthralled the people with their bhajans. A grand Kalash Yatra was carried out before the 3-day Shri Ram Katha by Shri Hari Satsang Samiti, Ekal Abhiyan in Dumar Munda Deepatoli of Targa Panchayat of Bansjor block. Many women, girls and devotees participate in the yatra. The Kalash was filled with water while chanting mantras and the Kalash was installed at the Yagya site, passing through various routes while chanting bhajans and kirtans. Lord Shri Ram was worshipped. During this, Sun Chief Madan Sai gave detailed information to the people regarding the Ekal Abhiyan and the 3-day religious story. Shri Ram Katha was organized for 3 days. The program ended with the Bhandara on the last day. On the death anniversary of Shri 108 Saint Shiromani Tapasvi Narayan Das Ji Maharaj, a 9-day-long Shri Ram Sita Ram Nam Jap Yagya and Shri Ram Charitramanas recitation was organized in Bhavdepur village on 17 February. This event was organized by all the villagers in the presence of Shri Dharmanath Baba. Shri Ram Katha was narrated to the devotees by Sadhvi Sukriti Vyas in the presence of Ram Udar Das at Brahmasthan, Bhavdepur under Ekal Abhiyan Shri Hari Katha Prasar Yojana, North Bihar Division, Mithila Part, Sitamarhi Zone, whereas Shri Ram Katha was narrated to the devotees by Ekal Division Samvad and Youth in Charge Shri Agni Kumar. Hundreds of devotees including Hari Katha Yojana Chief Kailash Kumar and Vishal Kumar attended the Katha and listened to Shri Ram Katha. On January 22, Ram Lala has been seated in his Grand Ram Temple. Hence, lakhs of devotees are reaching Ayodhya to have darshan of Ram Lala. The pictures you are seeing are of the mothers of Sabri Basti who have had the darshan of Ram Lala. Their dream was to have the darshan of their beloved, and their dream came true. Prashant Kumar, president of Ekal Future Ranchi, along with his team, helped these mothers to get the darshan of Shri Ram. First of all, on Magh Purnima, after taking a bath at Ganga Ghat in Banaras, visited Kashi Vishwanath and then visited Ram Lala, visited Hanuman Gari, Kanak Bhavan, Dashrath Mahal, Raj Darbar Temple. During this entire journey, all the mothers had an atmosphere of reverence and enthusiasm. There was only one question in the mind of these mothers, that was, how will they see Ramji? Will they be able to do it in this birth or not? Now you can imagine that when they finally got to pray and see their Ramji, how happy they would have been. And on the way to end this weekly highlight, we will give you information about the upcoming program. Ekal Shri Hari Delhi will organize its annual function on 17th March 2024 from 3 p.m. to 7 p.m. In this program, a cultural program titled Vanvasi Ke Ram, the great saga of the struggle for Ram Janmabhoomi, is being staged by internationally renowned artist and director Pandit Shri Harivansh. That's all for weekly highlights. Stay tuned and keep watching our channel.